What is digital leadership? Let's start at the beginning. Let's talk about being a citizen. This is where your teachers and parents have been stressing the whole time you have had access to the internet. They've been stressing the importance of being respectful, protecting private information, standing up to cyberbullying, creating balance between being on and offline, carefully managing your digital footprint, and giving credit where credit is due. This image shows how to go from being a responsible person on the internet to becoming someone who improves the lives of others through digital leadership. Let's go a little bit deeper. Signs of digital leadership. Digital leadership goes beyond taking responsibility for oneself. It requires having the courage to help others be accountable. People often feel that students isolate themselves. Digital leaders collaborate. Digital leaders understand naturally that technology is a part of both lifestyle and work habits. Knowing what to do with knowledge is a sign of digital leadership. Digital leaders learn how to embrace change. Digital leaders empower and equalize. They know that anyone can be an influential digital leader. Digital leaders learn how to be flexible thinkers who can understand, problem solve, analyze information, and find significance. I have told the students that they do not have to wait for the future to make a difference because they have the ability to do something now. This is a quote by George Couros, who is an advocate for digital leadership for students. Next, you need to have a plan of action. What does this mean? You need to have a vision. This gives you a focus, provides motivation to grow and improve, and gives a sense of purpose. You need to want to make a difference. Think critically about the possible answers, feeling comfortable about asking questions to move forward. You need to add value. Effective leaders listen to the needs of others and provide support. Be someone who takes risks. Digital leaders can establish direction, influence, and initiate sustainable change as they navigate the ever-changing landscape of technology. Okay, so the next question is where to start. Starting on social media is a great place to begin the journey of digital leadership. Remember, being a digital leader is a way for you to show others your voice, your vision, as well as inspiring others along the way. Good luck on your journey.